a call to come up higher, to a realm where there are no boundaries, no limitations. Ay, kameno salie tela vaya kosha, elana kosha tela vaya kosha, tela na kosha. So beloved, ascend in your prayer life, ascend in your word study life, into the realms where there are no boundaries, no limitations. Meno shatelia kaya, enlarge the place of your dwellings. Ikai barosha kaya na kosha, ena mesa elena kosha. No boundaries, no limits, open up. And so I speak to portals of greater heights, portals of greater works, be open unto me. I declare that the gates of nations are open unto me. The gates of nations are open unto me. I am not limited by location. I am not limited, no boundaries, no limitations. No boundaries, no limit. Open up. No boundaries, no limit. Open up. Open up. No boundaries, no limit. Open up. No boundaries, no limits.